Welcome to Zenith Institute, where learning matters. Hi guys, in this video I will give you 31 top adjectives and opposites in German. If you want to build your German vocabulary, please watch our previous videos. Links are given in the description. Before going ahead, I would request you all to please subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute and click on the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Now let's begin. Adjektive und Gegenteile. Alt, old, jung, young. Altmodisch, old-fashioned. Modern, modern. Bequem, gemütlich, comfortable. Unbequem, uncomfortable. Dunkel, dark. Hell, bright, light. Einfach, easy, simple. Schwierig, difficult, hard. Lang, long. Kurz, short. Freundlich, friendly. Unfreundlich, unfriendly. Glücklich, happy, lucky. Traurig, sad. Groß, big, tall. Klein, small, short. Hoch, high. Niedrig, low. Ruhig, calm, peaceful. Loud, loud. Fall, full. Leer, empty, vacant. Schön, beautiful. Hässlich, ugly. Teuer, expensive. Billig, inexpensive. Cheap. Price wert, reasonable. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do share with your friends. Like and subscribe to Zenith Institute.